he a musician?
New boy. What do you think?
Whoa, very nice. Look at that.
Picked him up from the coffee shop yesterday.
Nice suit.
That's Gucci, and the violin's something called Amati.
That's very cool, Bateman, but that's nothing. Artist, Guggenheim. What do you think?
Nice.
Jesus, that is really super. How did a nitwit like you get to be so lucky?
I can't believe that Bryce prefers Van Patten's guy over mine.
But wait, you ain't seen nothing yet. Carnegie Mellon, video game designer. Indie.
Impressive. Very nice. Let's see Paula Allen's photo. Look at that hip guy. The flawless smile of him. Oh my God, he even has a goatee.
Is something wrong? Trisha, you're sweating.